Hey everyone, I'm Bill. This is Eddie with Shreddog Hydrographics here in Chico, California. And today we have in the bed, how long have I had this thing? Two months?
Something like that.
And it's already getting a full livery paint job. And Eddie is absolutely going to kill this job. I can't wait. So let's get this thing unloaded. We're going to get in the shop, pick all the colors, the design and everything out. And well, you're going to have it. This job is the only one I gave you a deadline on, huh?
Yeah, unfortunately.
So we got a week to do this. So let's get it unloaded and see what we're gonna do to this thing. All right, guys. So we have all of the renderings. So I'm not gonna spill nothing on this.
No.
I've been so tight-lipped about this. So I've been on the phone with Ducati. I've talked to Alex about this paint job. He's gotten us paint codes and stuff like that. So we're gonna basically match them. But the idea is this is what we're trying to do. And the livery is we're trying to make this basically 100% perfect or similar. The problem is that we've got this paint scheme from a Panigale.
Different bike.
Yep. And it's a little bit different. So we don't have the full fairing. So we're going to go over these and get everything picked out and then lay everything out. And then Eddie's going to get to work and see what we can get out of this thing by next Saturday. It's Monday, by the way, so I appreciate everything. Wait, so Eddie, you're all right. So you've gotten some deals off of these videos, and actually, I put up the other day about the R9T Racer, asking the person never came forward.
Yeah,
you did some work for it, but Eddie, you can mail stuff to him. He's done carbon fiber dip. He's got some stuff. As you can see, we have a few things that may be getting some normal carbon fiber. I know you guys love it, but how many bikes has this been?
Done?
Yeah, for me. For me, five bikes.
Maybe
this
five.
is a six.
Yeah, maybe more.
Yeah. So let's look over all of the drawings. Let's look over the renderings and see if we can make this happen.
Yeah, buddy.
All right. So everything's laid out, and I'm excited.
Me too.
Do you like it?
I like it.
Do you love it?
Badass.
Potentially some carbon fiber coming back into the mix. Some normal carbon fiber, guys. I know you guys don't like the forged carbon fiber, but I love it. And we're going satin matte. So
satin.
It's so Eddie's going to be working. So let's get to some video of you working in this next week, and we'll see you in a week, brother.
Sounds good.
What's up, you guys? All right, we're back here at Shreddog. 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
I've missed this bike so much, but he's been teasing me just a little bit, and I just drove in. It's actually out front, and I didn't even look at the bike. This is absolutely the first look, first reaction of what the bike looks like. So, Eddie, give me some input. How was it? Is this like? Do you love it?
I actually dig it. I like it a lot.
the livery, so to let you guys in a little bit on the backstory of the livery, so I actually contacted Ducati North America direct on this livery and asked for their blessing to make sure that it was okay with them to kind of paint the bike this color, and I can kind of see it in the periphery. I still haven't looked at it, but I'm super excited. All right, I just looked at it, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. Holy shit, bro.
That's in the shade too.
And that's in the shade. So we've done, you know what? Let's just get to it. Let's just get to the B-roll. Let's look at this bike up close in the shade, in the sun. And
yeah, we can switch it over to the sun.
Let's do this, guys.
only your love.